Andito po ako ngayon to deliver to you our most awaited affiliate marketing presentation. All right. Sige. I'm so happy to see so many faces right now. Nakakatuwa po. Maraming salamat po sa mga naka-open cam ngayon. Basahin ko lang tong disclaimer. The information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, and any other sort of advice. And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, hold cryptocurrency. It is unethical for a member or affiliate in this opportunity to persuade anyone to make payments promising benefits from getting others to join. Don't be misled by claims that high earnings are easy to achieve. In other words, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and we are not an investment company. Okay. Sige nga po, pa-type 1 nga po if you're a guest or a first-timer, first time yung maririnig tong presentation, pa-type 1 lang po sa chat box para malaman ko. Sige po. Alright. Or kung meron kayong guest, i-type yan. Joey, hello. Alright, congratulations and welcome to Live Good. Before anything else, allow me to introduce myself kasi ang dami nating first-timer na most likely hindi pa ako kilala. Alright, I'm Coach Mon Reyes. I'm a gold rank here in Live Good. I'm the co-founder of Millionaire Makers, where we don't just make millionaires, we make you makers of millionaires. Part of BMW Speakers Bureau, a good father to 3, and a loving husband. Yes po, kahit tanungin nyo sila, sasabihin nila, totoo yan. And I'm also a servant leader in the Feast community. By profession, I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker. And prior to Live Good, ang dami ko na pong napagdaanan. I've been an employee for 5 years, OFW for 4 years, and for 24 years, business person po tayo or businessman. 12 of which is real estate broker. Maganda yung mga pinaggagawa ko niyan. Wala po akong masabi. Nakapagpatapos ako ng 3 anak. We were able to survive, yet medyo struggle nga lang. At the same time, ito napansin ko, doing all this, hindi po nakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap. So, malaki po akong mangarap Malaki akong mangarap sa sarili ko, sa family ko, sa people around me, as well as my community. And that's the time when I started looking for another opportunity, another option, whereby yung income will really make my dreams come true. Kasi talagang dreamer po tayo. And that's when I found Live Good. Siyempre, pinag-aralan po natin yan at ginawa natin, nag-plug in tayo sa sistema at tuloy-tuloy natin ginawa. And here I am, slowly and one by one, natutupad na po yung mga pangarap ko through Live Good. And that's exactly what I'm sharing to you right now. Because this presentation is not about me, this presentation is about you. Allow me to present this affiliate marketing presentation powered by Dreammakers Worldwide, our Philippine team here in and of course our company Live Good. By the way, sa mga first-timers po, talagang finish this until the end because kakaiba po itong presentation na to at tulad ng sinabi ko, a million dreams will come true after tonight. And I'm really praying na isa sa mga dreams na magkakatotoo ay yung dream mo para sa sarili mo at para sa pamilya mo. Okay? So, meet our people. By the way, before that, mag-investigate din po kayo. When you are entering into a company like this, you have to investigate. You have to check also yung 3 P's natin. The profile of the company and the people behind them. And then number 2 would be the products that are available for you. And number 3, the plan or the compensation plan. Kasi po, yun talaga ang magdidetermine if you belong to a good company. And tonight, I'm going to present to you that ang Live Good po, bibigyan nyo ng malaking check dun sa 3 P's na yon. And let's start with the first P by presenting to you the people behind our company Live Good. Ayan po. Let's first and foremost, our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Ben Glinsky has over 20 years of experience running and owning some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows exactly how to make people win. And then he partnered with Noder Kazan. Kung 20 years ang experience ni Ben, Noder Kazan has over 30 years of experience. So together, we are talking about 50 years of combined experience from these two people. At si Noder Kazan po ang nagsabi na talagang there is always greatness in everybody and that is his passion. Talagang ipalabas yung ating greatest potential. Now, they joined with the science team naman headed by our Director of Product Development, Ryan Goodkin. Ryan Goodkin is both a natural health practitioner and a pharmacist. Talagang he is very credible to be the one formulating our products. And at the same time, together with his wife, Lisa Goodkin, who is in charge of product education naman, with over 20 years of experience in the health and wellness industry, talagang yung passion nitong dalawang to is to make people healthy. And that's exactly why they are here in Live Good. So as you can see, si Ben tsaka si Noder, the company, and then the Goodkins naman, they are on the health side. And they are leaders in their own field. And together, true leadership creates true success. And that success would be the success of Live Good and the success of us affiliate. Live Good as a company, talagang pinumbine niyang health, tapos yung business side, napakagandang combination po niyan. So Live Good is a company that is making remarkable strides because of the blend of health and entrepreneurial opportunities. Live Good is a US-based company located in Jupiter, Florida. Globally launched in December of 2022. Napakabata pa po natin pero ang dami na po nating achievements. And from day one ng launching po, available tayo in over 200 countries. Never have I seen a company that's available in over 200 countries. Yes, some companies are claiming they're global, pero if you check deeply, they are available in over 40 countries lang. Si Live Good po, over 200 countries. Talagang we are available to any country in the world. Alright? And it all started here. Our first distribution center in Florida, USA. Diyan po yung ating mga yan yung ating warehouse and then yung ating mga products and it's being shipped from there to 200 countries worldwide. However, because of the demand of the products and to also enhance our service to our affiliate members, we decided to have a second distribution center and we located it in Germany para makater naman po yung mga European countries as well as the Asian countries. So you see, Live Good is not just after giving you benefits in terms of products, they're also after giving us benefits in terms of their service. Alright? So ano naman yung distribution center at fulfillment center na yan? We all know what happened to the whole world back in 2000 at talagang naging concern lahat ng tao pagdating sa health. And that's the reason why we are starting with health products. Yan po yung products natin and I'm going to show you, by the way, I'm going to show you right now kung gaano kaganda yung ating mga products. All our products are made in USA and certified by Good Manufacturing Practices. Kung hindi po natin alam yan, isang certifying body yan na napakataas ng standard. Hindi siya basta-basta nagsicertify ng company unless they know na yung company na yan ay talagang mag-release ng high-quality products and nothing more. And we are certified by them. Yung National Sanitation Foundation naman po, sila yung nag-i-ensure na walang harmful substance na nasasama sa ating produkto every batch na magre-release tayo ng products. Ganyan po kaganda ang ating mga produkto. And of course, being organic, we are certified by United States Department of Agriculture or USDA, certifying na organic lahat ng mga ingredients na ginamit natin to formulate our product. Meaning, wala pong pesticides, walang herbicides, at kung ano-ano pang mga side-by-side yan na makakasama sa ating katawan. Therefore, it is just simply saying napakataas po ng ating quality at napaka-safe ng ating products. Now, I can continue to talk about our products and tell only positive and good thing about our products kasi po, taga-Live Good ako. However, if a third party would be discussing about our product, ibang usapan na po yan. Kasi hindi sila part ni Live Good yet, they're saying good thing about our products. That only means napakaganda talaga ng produkto natin. And to be transparent, all our products comes with certificate of analysis. Analysis conducted by these 4 laboratories na talagang binigay nila yung kanilang certification that all our products are tested for purity and potency. Hindi lang po effective yung products natin, napaka-safe pa. At hindi na po sa akin nanggaling yan, hindi na taga-Live Good ang nagsabi niyan, third-party laboratories na po ang nagsabi niyan. And I'm telling you, these laboratories cannot give false certificate kasi regulated po sila ng American Association of Laboratories. Meaning lahat po ng certification na binibigay nila ay tama. At sila na mismo ang nagsabi na lahat ng produkto natin are tested for purity and potency. Now, bakit ba tayo very serious in ensuring that we are offering only the highest quality health products right now? Because we have a simple mission. And that mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Napakahirap po pagsamahin ng high quality, organic, natural, and affordable in one sentence. Pero in Live Good po, we can do that. We can always claim that we have the highest quality, natural, organic products at the most affordable prices. Bakit po? Kasi po sa Live Good talagang we ensure quality pero napakababa po ng price natin. Kasi nga po, because of our mission that we want health available for everybody. Right? So, ayan po yung ating mga products. As you can see in your screen, we have over 30 products, good quality health products na talagang synergistic in effect, talagang napakaganda sa ating katawan. And since synergistic nga po siya, Live Good came up with package bundles para hindi nyo na kailangan bilhin lahat. All you need to do is choose the bundle that's right for you and yung order nyo. And since we're available in over 200 countries, we also came up with an international wellness pack. Napakaganda po niyan, lalo na sa ating mga nasa Pilipinas because dito po, 6 na napakagandang mga produkto pinagsama-sama, 6 na kailangan ng katawan natin pinagsama-sama at it's being offered for only $99.95 discounted rate on shipping. And all our products, we are confident of our quality and that's the reason why we are offering a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Kasi yung ibang company po, yes, they're offering guarantee as well, pero 30 days lang. Pero kailangan, pag sinoli mo yung produkto, nakasil pa bago nila ibalik yung iyong pera. Dito po, ubusin nyo. Pag walang effect sa inyo, isoli nyo, ibabalik yung pera nyo. But, the good thing is, wala pong nagsusoli sa Live Good ng products because of quality. Kasi napakaganda po talaga ng qualities natin. Now, you've heard me right? Organic tayo, natural tayo, highest quality, baka iniisip nyo mahal. Kasi yun yung notion natin before. Whenever we hear those words, the first thing that pops up our mind is, mahal to. Expensive, but let me correct you in that because that's exactly what we're trying to change here. Ayan po, napakalakas ng loob namin i-compare yung aming pricing to other brands that are available out there. Not as high as quality as ours, pero yun na po siguro yung pinakamalapit. Let's say for example, our magnesium. Our magnesium is the highest bioavailable magnesium in the market. Meaning yan po yung pinaka-na-absorb ng katawan natin. Bio-optimizer po, not even organic, $35. Pero yung sa atin, $8.95. Ganyan po kababa tayo magpresyo. Factor 4 of the best anti-inflammatory product right now in the market. Bakit po naging factor 4 yan? Kasi 4 na napakagandang ingredients pinagsama-sama sa isang produkto. Meron tayong fish oil, garlic, turmeric, and CoQ10. Kung sa ibang company nyo po bibilhin yan, yung apat na yan, isa-isa nyo pong bibilhin yan. Dito sa Live Good, isa lang po ang bibilhin nyo. Check this out, Synogen, CoQ Max, Omega. CoQ10 lang po laman yan, pero $58.42. Sa atin, apat na, factor 4, $18.50. Ganyan po kababa mag-price ang Live Good. And then, our Super Greens, if we want nutrition from head to toe, kailangan po natin itong Super Greens. AG1, not even organic, very popular sa mga athletes. One pack for $99.99. Sa atin, Super Greens, giving you energy, vitality, endurance, and health. Especially yung gut health natin, talagang ibibigay po yan. $18 lang po yan. Meaning, if you choose Live Good, if you become a member of Live Good, and you choose Super Greens over AG1, makakalimang Super Greens na po kayo for the price of one AG1. Right? Super Reds, napakaganda po, especially for our blood circulation as well as the health of our heart. Na napakagandang talagaan talaga. Di ba nga po, nag-iisa na ang puso natin, wag nating sasaktan at wag nating pabayaang magkasakit. Alright? Super Beets, ang laman lang po niyan, beetroot. Isa lang po ang beetroot sa ingredients ng Super Reds. Not even organic ang Super Beets, $39.95. Super Reds and Super Greens, USDA certified organic. Ang Super Reds natin, $18. Now think about this. All you need to do is become a member of Live Good and then choose Live Good products over other brands. Ang laki po ng savings na marireceive nyo. And that's exactly the benefit we are offering to our members. Kasi po, this benefit is exclusive only to Live Good members. Yung access to the highest product at members price, available lang po yan sa ating mga Live Good members. Alright? If you're thinking that Live Good is a network marketing company, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles, pero nagkakamali po kayo. The reason why we could offer the highest quality products at the lowest price in the market is because we have adopted a business model, a unique business model in our industry, and that's the membership club. Membership club, parang Landers and SNR. Only members have the exclusive right to enter their stores and buy their products. Tama po ba? Now, sa Live Good, ganun din po ang have the access, or exclusively have the access to the highest quality products at members price. And since this is a membership club, meron po tayong membership fee which we pay through subscription. And we are okay with that kasi we are receiving benefits and values exclusive for members. That's the reason why we want to remain members. If you're not so familiar with subscription or membership club, baka hindi nyo lang po alam, pero member na rin kayo ng mga subscription company. Here are some of the companies that are doing the very same business model. And yun nga, baka hindi nyo alam, member na pala kayo, subscriber na pala kayo, pero naguguluhan pa rin kayo about subscription. Pero ayan po. Now, about subscription and membership club, baka first time nyo narinig yan at talagang naguguluhan kayo at magtatanong kayo, ano ba yan subscription? So right now, let's talk about the subscription economy. Okay lang po ba yon? Sige, let's talk about the subscription economy. Napakagandang business model po nito, pati yung ating membership club. But just to show you, the companies you can see on your left, on the left side of your screen, those are all in subscription and membership club. Mga popular brands po yan, mga popular companies lang po yan. And if you check, we are paying them. Tayo po, nagbabayad sa kanila ng either monthly or annual subscription. Bakit? Para continuous nating ma-receive yung benefit that they are offering exclusive to their members. Alright? Ngayon, kung i-check nyo, mababa lang yung binabayad nating subscription. So baka nagtataka kayo, kung mababa yung ating subscription, baka walang kitain yung mga companies na yan. I-check din po natin, okay lang? Netflix po, I know everybody knows about Netflix. It's about entertainment where you can watch unlimited movies and binge watch your favorite shows. Subscription po niyan is $9.99. Wala pa pong 600. Pero ito, titignan nyo. They have over 282 million members. Lahat yun, nagbabayad ng subscription. And for that reason, kumita po ang Netflix ng $37 billion revenue in 2024. Ganyan po kalaki ang kinita ni Netflix. And kahit tanggalin na po natin lahat ng expenses nila, nagkaroon pa rin sila ng net profit na $7.7 billion. We're talking about billion dollars. Napakadaming peso po niyan. So, yung 7.7 billion, ang naghati-hati lang po dyan, yung iilang may-ari lang ng Netflix. Now, let's talk about membership. Si Costco. Very popular to sa US as well as Western countries. Costco has over 132 million members. 79 million members are paying members. Check this out. $4.8 billion in revenue from membership fee alone. Hindi pa po sila nagbebenta ng products, hindi pa sila nagbibigay ng serbisyo, kumita na po ang Costco. Ganyan po kaganda ang membership club, ganyan po kaganda ang mga subscription businesses. Now, though this company offers amazing products and services, but they don't have what Live Good has. At ano po yon? A subscription that pays. Tayo lang po ang nagbibigay ng benefit exclusive for the members, and at the same time, if you're a member of Live Good, pwede ka pong kumita. Right? So by now, na-check na po natin yung ating first P, which is the company. Also yung ating second P, which is the product. We're giving them big check. I'm sure you want to become a member already. But before that, allow me to show you the benefit. The benefits of being a Live Good member and affiliate. Number one, of course, savings. Savings up to 70% off the base price compared to other brands. Meaning, mag-shift ka lang ng brand. Magme-member ka sa Live Good, magpapalit ka ng brand, and you would have huge savings. And sabi nga nila, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Kasi yung savings na yan, pwede mo na pambayad ng ibang bills mo yan. Ano pa po? Savings lang ba ang binibigay na benefit ng Live Good? Hindi po. Because remember, once you want to know kung ano yung status ng health mo, ano gagawin mo? Magpapa-check up ka sa doktor para malaman mo kung healthy ka. Pagdating mo sa doktor, nakapila ka pa lang, alam mo na magbabayad ka ng 1,000 pesos, right? Hindi ka pa nare-resetahan, pero alam mo na magbabayad ka ng 1,000 pesos at ano gagawin ng doktor sa'yo? Magtatanong lang ng mga questions, and based on the answer of those questions, magkakaroon sila ng diagnosis and recommendation for you. In other words, i-assess ka lang po. Pero ikaw, magbabayad ka sa doktor. The good news for you is in Live Good, we have a free personalized health assessment. Questionnaires din po yan, sasagutin nyo lang, and based on your answer, right, Dr. Ryan Goodkin himself, a professional, a health, natural health practitioner and a pharmacist, will be the one to give you recommendation. Siya po yung magbibigay ng free health report nyo. And you can do this every day without even spending a single dime kasi nga po, it's free. Now, since alam ni Live Good that you are already an affiliate and you would refer Live Good to your friends, i-equip po tayo ni Live Good with 3 replicated website. The corporate site whereby nakikita nyo lahat ng updates ng corporate as well as lahat ng improvements or development na mangyayari sa group nyo. And then we have the retail site kasi po yung products natin, pwede rin po natin ibenta dun sa mga hindi members only at retail price. Mas mataas as compared to members price. Kasi yung members price po, exclusively offered yan sa mga members lang. And then our Powerline landing page. Kung maghahanap po tayo na magiging business partner dito, na magiging affiliate member din, yan naman po yung ibibigay natin kasi dyan sila magre-register at tuloy-tuloy nang mag-join sa group nyo. So napakaganda po. Napakaganda po ng benefits na binibigay ni Live Good kasi completely e-commerce and dropshipping sites po yan. Now, to give you more, para madagdagan pa yung inyong kumpiyansa sa LiveGood, let me give you the advantage of LiveGood over other companies. Sa LiveGood po, wala na tayong mandatory buying of products. Kung ano po yung gusto nyong bilhin, yun lang ang bibilin nyo at kung kailan nyo gustong bilhin. At ang maganda dito, when you buy products from LiveGood, you're going to pay member's price na napakababa. Dito po, walang puwersahan talaga. You don't need to buy a package to join. No auto ship, ano naman po yan? Yan yung monthly required na bumili ka ng products para lang ma-receive mo yung commission. Dito po, you will be paid for every effort you put in. No team sales quota na napaka-imposibleng abutin. No points monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. In fact po, dito, since hindi tayo required, bumili ng mga produkto, hindi na po rin natin kailangan magbenta. Talagang tayo lang po ang need natin talaga. Kung yung need lang natin ang kailangan natin balan. Kaya nga dito, you buy the products what you want, when you want, and when you buy, you pay the lowest price in the market. Now, those are the advantages, those are the benefits being given by LiveGood. But what I have for you is even better because our Philippine team, the Dreammaker Worldwide, are giving special benefits pa for our affiliate members. Dito po, we're giving special trainings. Trainings na kakailanganin nating lahat para tuloy-tuloy nating magawa yung ating business. Strong mindset, kung sa labas po natin iti-take yan, that would cost you 5,000 pesos. And then mastery over the industry, over selling. Kung baga, if you're going to develop yourself, again, pag sa labas, 5,000 pesos po uli yan. And then technical training, kasi alam naman natin, yung iba hindi techie talaga. And we are on the internet stage, so we need to really learn about the technical stuff. Sa labas, 5,000 pesos po yan. Unlimited prospecting, we are in the people's business, so we really need this. Pag sa labas nyo kinuha, again, another 5,000 pesos. And I'm talking about the minimum price of this training available sa labas. Here, so ang total niyan is 20,000, but when you're an affiliate member of LiveGood under DMW, as long as you are updated with your subscription, you can have this absolutely free. And ganyan po talaga kaganda yan. So may free training ka na, meron ka pang community na very supportive for you to succeed here in LiveGood. And much, much more than that, you would have the time with your family, the quality time as well as the quantity time with your family doing this business because we are doing the business completely online. In the comfort of your own home, together with your loved ones, gadget lang ang katapat, cellphone or laptop, okay na okay ka na. In fact, marami po ditong nag-diamond, cellphone lang ang gamit. Ganyan po kaganda ang LiveGood. So, by now, most likely, tinatanong nyo na, paano mag-member ng LiveGood? So, let me show you. How do you become a member? Simple lang po. Actually, this is my recommendation. If you would become a member, you go for the 1-year subscription. Bakit po? Because doing this, magkakaroon pa kayo ng additional savings. Yes, we're already offering you savings as the value exclusive for you as member. Dadagdagan lang po natin ng konti yan. Okay lang po ba? In LiveGood, to become an affiliate member, you have to pay a one-time lifetime affiliate fee of $40 and a yearly subscription fee of $99.95. That's a total of $139.95. And since ang monthly subscription natin is $9.95, pag times 12 mo po yan, that's $120. Since you're going to pay a yearly subscription of $99.95 lang, nagkaroon po kayo ng savings na $20. Magkano po yung $139.95 in peso? That's only 8,400 pesos. And when you do this, bumalik kayo dun sa nag-invite sa inyo dito, hiningi nyo yun at nagpaturo kayo kung paano mag-join. Nag-join kayo, you paid your annual subscription, naging affiliate member kayo, you would now enjoy to earn income 7 ways here in LiveGood. Meron tayong matrix commission, matching bonuses that we receive monthly. And kung gusto niyo ng fast cash, meron tayong weekly fast start commission that you would receive weekly. And then diamond bonus pool. And of course, when you are into product sales, meron pa rin po kayong matatanggap. Customer acquisition, retail commission, and influencer bonuses. Ngayon, we are now on the third P, the compensation plan. Kasi nabigyan na natin ng malaking check yung profile, nabigyan na natin ng malaking check yung products. Now, I'm going to show you na bibigyan nyo rin ng malaking check ang ating compensation plan. Sige nga po, pa-type nga po excited dun sa mga excited na malaman paano kumita dito sa Live Good. Sige nga po, let me see those who are excited. Yan. Yun, grabe. Unang-una. The first one is Aluna Alto. Yes. Followed by Eden Ardales. Yes. Yan po talaga yung mga excited. Mga excited. And that's what you need to have here in Live Good. Excitement. Kasi po talaga nakaka-excite talaga ang ating business. Now, let's proceed. Let's start with the Matrix Commission. Ano po ba yung Matrix Commission? Matrix Commission, it's actually a 15-level dip commissioning whereby per person na mapupunta sa Matrix, dalawa lang po ang pwedeng makabit sa inyo for every person na nasa Matrix. So it's going to be like a power of 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. At yan po, yan yung magiging total people in your Matrix. Ang maganda po nito, when we join Live Good, we all start as unranked. But being unranked, meron na po tayong benefit to earn. Because in our Matrix Commission, open na po yung levels 1 to level 12. At pag napuno po yan, 12 levels deep, ng ating Matrix, meron na po tayong pwedeng kitain na $2,047.50. Magkano po yan in peso? That's over 120,000 pesos. Napakagandang additional earning po yan para sa atin. And remember, for unranked po yan. Paano po mangyayari yan? Let me show you. Ayan. Let's say for example, ako po yan. Ang gandang lalaki, no? So, I'm your enroller. Ngayon, gusto ko pong kumita ng $2,047 or 120,000 pesos. And for that reason, naging aggressive po ako at very active in referring Live Good to many of my friends. Kaya nag-refer po ako ng nag-refer, nag-invite ako ng nag-invite. And on my first week, nakapag-invite po ako, nakapag-successfully refer ako ng 2. So automatic, nag-bronze na po ako. It so happened na isa dun sa 2 na-refer ko is ikaw. However, for some reason, maybe busy ka sa work mo or you're doing something else, hindi nyo po ginawa yung business. Eh ako po, since gusto ko nga kitain yung 120,000 and aggressive nga ako, tuloy-tuloy pa akong nag-refer ng tao dito sa Live Good. Saan po dadalhin ni system yung mga ni-refer ko? Doon na po sa ilalim nung mga napunta sa ilalim ko. Kasi 2 lang ang pwedeng makabit per person, right? So ayan, napunta sa'yo, nilagay ni system sa'yo yung isa, sa kabila naman yung isa, and then balik sa'yo. So ikaw ngayon, though you're not really focused on doing the products, nagkaroon ka ng 2 tao sa matrix mo, which is spilled over from me. Now, ang maganda nito, isa dun sa napunta sa iyo is my leader, Elisa, from Cebu. And just like me, she is also aggressive kasi gusto niya rin kitain yung 120,000 pesos or yung $2,047. So what did she do? Tuloy-tuloy niya rin ginawa yung business. Nag-refer din siya ng maraming tao and nabuo niya yung matrix niya. Ang maganda nito, since nilagay ni system, sa ilalim mo si Elisa, napunta yung organization niya sa matrix mo rin. Now, through our effort, Elisa and I, kasi nga ikaw medyo busy pa on other matters. Let's say for example, so napunta, 'di ba? Nadagdagan yung ng marami yung matrix mo. Now, sabi dito, for every member who has paid subscription of $9.95, you will earn 25 cents. Now, sa sobrang aggressive namin, nalagyan ka namin ng 40 people or 40 members in your matrix. That means 25 cents times 40, $10. Eh magkano po ba yung monthly subscription? That's only $9.95. Meaning,
your Live Good business is paying its own na. Kasi you're getting your subscription from the income you're receiving from your matrix. And seeing that, naging aggressive ka rin at ginusto mo rin kitain yung $2,047. So you started inviting people, you started referring your friends, your family, your co-workers, and then through our effort, sa akin, sa iyo, pati dun sa aking leader, nagkaroon tayo ng 1,000. By the way, yung $10 is 600 pesos. Nagkaroon tayo ng 1,000 members in your matrix. 25 cents times 1,000, that's $250. Magkano yan in peso? 15,000 pesos. Extra income lang po yan. But that would be enough to cover your electric bills, your water bills, even your internet. So, nababawasan na po yung inyong gastusin. Yet, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung income nyo. Kasi monthly nyo nang marireceive lang. So long as the member in your matrix are paying their monthly subscription. So, yan po, yung unranked. Unlock up to 12 levels deep. But, I would highly recommend for you to rank up or get promoted to higher ranks kasi more benefits awaits you. Kung gusto nyo po ma-double yung $2,047, magpa-promote po kayo to bronze or silver. Kasi pag nag-bronze or silver kayo, mau-open yung level 13. Pag napuno yung level 13, $4,095 na po yung matrix nyo. That's already more than 240,000 pesos. Pag na-promote ka pa ulit to gold or platinum, ma-open na po yung level 14. And magiging 8,191 na yung matrix nyo. That's almost 500,000 pesos. At ang maganda po nito, pag nag-diamond ka na, you would enjoy matrix income from level 1 all the way down to level 15. At pag napuno po yan, 15 levels deep na yan, aabot po ng 16,383 yung matrix income nyo. 960,000 plus in peso po ang magiging monthly matrix commission nyo. Kaya po napaganda talaga magpa-promote dito sa Live God. Now, let's talk about the matching bonus. Kasi lahat tayo dito, na affiliate member, we would have our matrix. Therefore, we would have our matrix income. At ang sabi dito, for every direct referral that you have who earns their matrix income, magkakaroon ka ng 50% of whatever they earn. Alright? So, kung magkano yung kinikita niya sa matrix income niya, marireceive niya ng buo, ima-match lang ni Live Good, 50% of that goes to you. So let's say, for example, on your first referral is already earning $1,000 in his matrix income, meron kang $500. On your second referral, 600 na yung kinikita niya, may 300 ka. Yung third referral mo, 300, may $150 ka. Yung fourth referral mo, kumita ng 100, may $50 ka. So, that means, in your matching bonus, kumita ka ng 1,000 pesos or $1,000 or 60,000 pesos without doing anything. Kasi po, matrix income na niya yan, business niya na yan, minatch pa rin po ni Live Good para sa'yo magkaroon ka ng matching bonus. Ngayon, ito po, matching natin dun sa mga direct na mare-refer natin. If you want to match dun sa organization nila, all you need to do is rank up. Because when you become silver, all the way to diamond, you will receive generation matching. At yung generation matching po yan is your matching to their entire organization. At ang maganda po niyan, pag nag-diamond ka, all the way to 5th generation deep, makakatanggap ka po ng matching bonus. Kaya nga po, napakalaki at napakaganda po nitong matching bonus na to. Okay, now, this matching bonus and matrix income, marireceive mo po yan monthly. If you want something fast, ito po tayo, weekly fast start commission. And sabi dito, sa weekly fast start commission, you would receive a profit of $25 every time you successfully refer a person in Live Good. Magkano po yan in peso? 1,500. At ang maganda po nito, you can refer unlimited directs. You can actually refer unlimited people here in Live Good. So let's say, for example, you directly referred 10 people or 10 persons in LiveGood this week bago mag Thursday. Alright? That means you will receive $250 at matatanggap nyo po yan the following Thursday. Napakaganda pong kitaan yan. Now, I always tell you to rank advance or be promoted to the higher rank. Bakit po? Because LiveGood is actually benefiting or giving rewards to those who really refer LiveGood to many people. Dun sa mga gumagawa talaga ng business ng LiveGood, nire-reward po ng additional reward ni LiveGood yung mga yon. So as a rank, we get $25 for every direct referral, successful referral that we bring to LiveGood sa ating weekly fast start, right? Now, if you want to open all the way to 10 levels deep, all you need to do is rank up. To become bronze, kailangan nyo lang po 2 direct referral at bronze ka na. So magpasok ka lang, either nanay mo, asawa mo, bronze ka na. What's good about bronze? You get to open the level 2 of your weekly fast start commission. Ano yung level 2? Yan po yung referral ng mga referrals mo. Okay? Now, don't settle for that. Kasi if you rank higher, maging silver ka, by the way, to become silver, yung 2 mo, gawin mong 3, at yung 3 direct referral mo, gawin mong bronze lahat. The moment na umabot ng 20 members in your organization, silver ka na, ma-open na po yung levels 3 and 4 ng iyong weekly fast start commission. Mag-gold ka na, ituloy-tuloy mo na yung pagbe-business mo. Ang simple lang po naman ng pag-gold. Yung 3 bronze mo, ipapromote mo to silver. And if you reach 100 people, members in your organization, gold ka na. Unlocked na po yung levels 5 and 6. Don't stop there. Mag-platinum ka na kasi gagawin mo lang yung silver direct referrals mo. Gawin mong mga gold. And if you reach 500 members in your organization, platinum ka na. Unlock na po yung level 7 and 8. And continuous nyo na para maging diamond kaya. Kasi diamond received the most rewards here in LiveGood. Simple lang po maging diamond. Yung 3 gold, gawin yung platinum. And when your organization or your community reach 2,500 people, diamond ka na. Open na po from level 1 to level 10 yung iyong weekly fast start commission. Ano ibig niyan? Ibig sabihin niyan, yung ni-refer mo, hindi mo na po kilala, hindi mo na nga alam na nag-continuously doing the business pa rin sila, yet kumikita ka pa rin simply because you became diamond. At bakit po napakaganda mag-diamond? Kasi dito po sa diamond, we have what we call the retirement income or the diamond bonus pool. Isa po yung profit sharing that's being offered to those who reach the diamond rank. So para ka ng co-owner ng company or ng LiveGood. Bakit? Kasi si LiveGood po, we will base this diamond bonus pool on the total sales of LiveGood in the whole world. Total sales ng LiveGood for the month sa buong mundo. Kasama po dyan yung membership payments, subscription fees, as well as all products purchases. So let's say, for example, $10 million po yung kinita ni LiveGood for the month. Ang diamond po makakatanggap ng 2%. Yung 2% paghahati-hatian ng lahat ng diamond. So let's say, for example, may 100 diamond. Kasi 200,000 yan, 2% na yan eh. Divide by 100, each diamond will receive $2,000. Diamond bonus pool pa lang po yan. Kaya nga sinabi ko, this would be your retirement income. Stress-free retirement income. But don't stop there kasi meron pa po tayong isang rank, ang Crown Diamond. Whereby, apart dun sa 2%, sa sharing nila sa Diamond bonus pool, may additional pa silang 0.5%. 0.5% of 10 million is $50,000. Sa ngayon po, tatatlo lang ang ating Crown Diamonds na nagati-hati sa Crown Diamond bonus pool. And each of them received over $16,000 each. Binibigay ba talaga yan para namang too good to be true? Imagine monthly may profit sharing. Eh, ibang company nga, annual lang, minsan sumasablay pa. The answer is yes. And to show you, ito po, actual income report ng 3 diamonds natin. Hindi sila sabay-sabay naging diamond. Yet, when it was released at the nung month cut-off, which is first Thursday of the month, nung na-release po yung Diamond Bonus Pool, pare-pareho sila nakatanggap ng $2,288 dollars. That's over 140,000 pesos. Hindi pa po kasama yung matrix income nila. Hindi pa kasama yung matching bonuses nila. Hindi pa kasama lahat ng mga kinita nila. Diamond bonus pool pa lang po yan. Umabot na ng 140,000 pesos. Ganyan po kaganda mag-diamond. Kaya lahat tayo, whether you're new here or already a seasoned affiliate, so long as you're not diamond yet, yan po yung namimiss natin. Now, we are not required to sell, but when you are into sales, or talagang yun yung passion mo, bibigyan ka pa rin po ni Live Good ng compensation. We have a customer acquisition bonus whereby we will earn on the first purchase of the direct referrals natin. And it is being paid weekly. Meron din tayong retail commission, yung dropshipping website nyo. Pag binigay nyo dun sa taong ayaw naman mag-member pero gusto bumili ng products, they'll buy it at retail price, may commission pa rin po kayo. And as you level up, you go to deeper levels in commissioning. Meron din po tayong influencer bonus. Ito naman, yung mga influencer na marami ng followers, should they increase their retail purchases, madadagdagan din po yung percentage ng commission nila. Yan na po, yung third P, the plan, the compensation plan. And I believe you would agree with me na Live Good deserves a very big check also in the compensation plan. Kasi totoo po ang kitaan dito sa Live Good at malakihan. Ang tanong ko po, please participate dun sa mga bago dito as well as sa mga luma na rin. If you're going to do Live Good, paano nyo siya gustong gawin? Yung mahirap na paraan o yung madaling paraan? Type 1 kung ang gusto nyo yung madaling paraan na paggawa ng Live Good. Sige po. Yan. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Eva. Miss Eve. Thank you. Alright. Alright. Sige, tuloy na natin. Since gusto nyo, alam ko, nakita ko na, gusto nyo madaling paraan. Good news for you is we have a game plan for this year. BMW, our Philippine team has a game plan this 2025 whereby we intend to create 100 new diamonds in 2025. Whether bago ka ngayon, guest ka pa lang, pag ikaw nag-affiliate member dito, kasali ka na dito, 100 diamonds. You're already a seasoned affiliate, yet not yet diamond, sumali ka rito para maging diamond ka this year. Yan po yung ating target and we have a game plan. The project is called Get 3, Help 3, and then Repeat. Yes, hindi po siya Get 30, Get 300, Get 3 lang po, Help 3, and Repeat. Of course, meron tayong program dito whereby yung tatlong kukunin natin dapat qualified. Yung tatlo, kailangan ng dagdag kita. Lahat ng taong sasali natin dito or we will refer to Live Good as an affiliate member, one thing that they need is dagdag kita. Kailangan nila ng dagdag kita. At ang pangalawa is kayang gawin yung 4 easy steps na i-discuss ko mamaya. Kaya everybody should dive into this system kung gusto nyo maging diamonds because this system of BMW will develop you to become a leader. And it will you will duplicate yourself to your members, making them leaders as well. Therefore, you will be building a community, a group, an organization of leaders with common goals of all becoming diamonds this year. Ganyan po maganda yung sistema natin, kaya sumali na po kayo. So let's talk about it. Get 3 in 7 weeks, up to 7 months, and become diamond. Ganito po kasimple yan. Number 1, ikaw yan, all you need to do on your first week is to find your 3 people na pasok dun sa programa natin. Kailangan ng dagdag kita at kayang gawin yung 4 easy steps. Now, so there will be 3 people in your organization, automatic bronze ka na po kasi 2 lang naman requirement ng bronze, kikita ka pa rin po dyan, daily fast start commission of $75. Now, at this point, ang gagawin nyo naman, tutulungan nyo at sasamahan yung 3 nakuha nyo para sila mismo makakuha rin ng pagatlo nila na pasok sa programa. That will happen on your second week. Yung tatlo, kukuha ng tagatlo, 9 people added in your organization, may kita ka pa rin kasi bronze ka na, unlock na yung level 2, $45. And then on your third week, yung tatlong kinuha nyo, sila naman yung sasama at tutulong dito sa tagatlong kinuha nila para makuha yung tagatlo nila. So 27 people will be added, silver ka na, you still earn $67. On the fourth week, ganun lang po. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yung duplication. There will be additional 81 people. May kita ka pa rin $202. On your fifth week, eto maganda. Pag yung 81 people na-duplicate natin ng tuloy-tuloy, each of them will get their own 3. 243 will come to your group. Gold ka na po niyan. That's one of the sweetest spot here in Live Good. And then you will earn $364 in your weekly fast start. On sixth week, pag tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yan, guess what? Platinum ka na. Platinum ka na and you'll earn something about $729. And the best part of this system is when it continues on the seventh week, weekly, yung mga bagong pumapasok, kumukuha ng tagatlo nila, napasok sa programa, lahat po tayo magiging diamond on our seventh week. Kasi may 2,187 people that will join our group in that week. At pag tinotal nyo po yan, lalagpas na po ng 2,500 yan, diamond ka na. At ang average income ng diamond dito, average potential income po natin is kayang umabot ng $5,000 or even more. That's 300,000 pesos. Now, kung medyo nabibilisan po kayo sa weekly, kayang-kaya nyo pong gawin yan monthly. So, on the seventh week, bago po matapos ang taong 2025, diamond na po tayo lahat. So, it's March already. By October, 300,000. November, 300,000. December, 300,000. How would you like to spend the Christmas with a budget of 900,000 pesos? Napakasayang Pasko po niyan. Right? So tuloy po natin. Di ba fast start commission yung pinakita ko sa inyo? May matrix income na rin po kayo niyan. Kasi yung tatlong directly na refer nyo rito, each of them is earning already $273 in their matrix. Ikaw, kinikita mo is 819 na. May matching bonus ka pa sa kanilang tatlo, 273, 50% times 3, that's $409.50. So, ang total na earnings monthly mo rito, matrix commission and matching, kulang pa nga po yan kasi may generation bonus ka na rin, aabot po ng 1,228 and more. That's 77,325 pesos monthly income. Bayad na lahat ng bills mo, may sobra ka pa to have weekly, even weekly dates with your spouse, with your kids, with your family. Napakaganda po ng earnings dito sa Live Good. Live Good is a membership club offering exclusively sa mga members nila ng benefits of good health, at sa affiliate members nila offering huge income. And of course, not to mention yung savings na matatanggap natin. Yan po ang benefits and value that are received exclusively for the members of Live Good. So if you're not a member of Live Good yet, yan po ang nami-miss out nyo. And not to mention, you would have health, wealth, and you would have time for your family. Not only quality time, na sinasabi nyo, importante naman quality time. But I'm telling you, quantity time is even better. Kaya nung simula po, sinabi ko sa inyo, Live Good ang magbabago sa buhay nyo. Live Good ang makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap nyo. But don't take my word for it.